Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to access your My Network settings on Verizon and how to check or change your Wi-Fi password. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect to your Verizon network. Before you can access your network settings, make sure that your device is connected to your Verizon Wi-Fi network. You can use a computer, smartphone, or tablet. Step 2. Open a web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. This will allow you to access the Verizon router settings. Step 3. Enter the router's IP address. In the address bar, type the default IP address for Verizon routers, which is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Press Enter on your keyboard. Step 4. Log into your Verizon account. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. The default username is often admin, and the password can be found on the back of your router or in the documentation provided with your device. If you've changed these credentials before, use your custom username and password. Step 5. Navigate to Network Settings. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Network, Wireless, or Wi-Fi Settings in the menu. Click on this section to view your current network settings. Step 6. Change your Wi-Fi password. In the Wi-Fi settings section, you will see an option for the Wi-Fi password. Here, you can view the existing password or enter a new one. Make sure to create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security. Step 7. Save changes. After making any changes to your Wi-Fi password, be sure to click the Save or Apply button to ensure your new settings are updated. Step 8. Restart your router, if necessary. To apply the new settings, you may need to restart your router. Simply unplug it for a few seconds and then plug it back in. Step 9. Reconnect your devices. Once the router is back online, you will need to reconnect all your devices using the new Wi-Fi password. Make sure to enter the new password correctly. Step 10. Test your connection. To ensure everything is set up correctly, test the internet connection on your devices. If you can access the internet without any issues, congratulations! You've successfully managed your network settings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.